Hey guys, today I would like to talk with you about sliding tube chromed external surface. In most of the companies, this part of landing gear need to be cleaned on daily basis, and now I'll try to explain why it is so important. Sliding tube and wheel axle are one piece item, and through the shock absorber they transfer the load of the aircraft to the ground during landing, taxiing and parking. Shock absorber is telescopic hollow pneumatic unit, and when it is compressed, the load transmits to the hydraulic fluid and nitrogen gas. As you can see, shock absorber is closed circle, so there is almost no way how hydraulic can escape out of it, which leads me to this area. This is Glen housing assembly. It is located on the bottom end of the main fitting barrel, seals the joint between the barrel and the sliding tube. The assembly has the Glen housing that holds the top spare and the bottom main Glen seal, the bearing that keeps the sliding tube correctly aligned, and the wipe ring that keeps unwanted material out of the shock absorber. This way, the dirt can be wiped down every time when shock absorber compressed, but the dirt can accumulate on the bottom and lately, if we don't clean it, can cause damage to the sliding tube or wipe ring, which lately can lead to the leak of the hydraulic. That's why we need to jack up aircraft on regular basis to inspect the whole surface of the sliding tube. But if by any chance we will find the leak from the shock absorber, we still can activate top spare Glen seal in the Glen housing. As you can see on this video, which was made by Fahad, where he explained the whole procedure how to activate the spare seal. So go and take a look. That's all what I want to show you today. Hopefully you learned something new. Thank you for watching and see you next one.